So here are two multiple choice questions on vector addition. I'd like you to pause the video, copy the questions, solve them, and then look into my suggestion. Question number 6. If vector A equals to 2i plus 3j and vector A plus vector B is equals to 3i plus 5j, what is vector B? We're given four choices. Now the easy way to do it is vector B should be A plus B minus A, right? So let's do our algebra here. 3i plus 5j, and we want to take away 2i plus 3j, right? So if we take away both of them, right, so it'll be I and this will be plus 2j. So that is our answer, I plus 2j, which matches with D. So that is the answer for us. Question number 7 is, if A equals to 7, B equals to 9, and the angle between them when placed tail to tail is 100, find the magnitude of A plus B. Now what is given to us is basically the two vectors which are kind of like this. This is, let us say, A, and then we have B, and the angle when placed tail to tail is 100. So let's say this is B, right? So that is what is given to us. And now let me say A on this side, I made it smaller. So let us say this is my vector A, which is equals to 7, and that is vector B, which is equals to 9, and angle between them is 100 degrees. So we need to find A plus B, right? Now whenever you're finding A plus B, then the angle actually becomes 180 minus that angle. That is kind of key to understand, right? So let's do A plus B. So A is given to us as 7, and if I have to do A plus B, then I will draw from A parallelogram, correct? So we get to this place, and the angle will be, this side will represent A plus B to us. That is A plus B. Now angle is in this particular case, if this angle between them is 100, then angle between A and B will be 180 minus 100, right? So that is the key, and that is the place where sometimes mistake happens. And now we know what is A plus B equals to. So A plus B is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos of theta, and the angle will be 80 degrees, right? 180 minus 100. So that is the magnitude. So we can calculate this, and we know magnitude of A plus B is equals to square root of A square, which is 7 square, plus 9 square, minus 2 times 7 times 9 times cos of 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. That is critical, right? So all this within square root. So let's calculate this value and figure it out. So it is 7 square plus 9 square minus 2 times 7 times 9 times cos of 80 degrees, which is equals to 108, and we'll do square root of this, 10.39. So which is 10.40 as our answer, right? So this is approximately equals to 10.39, and so we get our answer as 10.40. So the important thing here to remember is that when they are placed tail to tail and the angle is given to us, let us say angle is theta, when you are doing adding your vectors, in that case the angle should be 180 degrees minus theta. That's the key issue. Okay, use cosine law and find the answer. Thank you. I hope you learn from it. All the best.